Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and today I will show you a couple camera tricks. So let me just simply open the camera and take a look. At the first I will show you features that we can use on the photo and video mode, and after that I will move to the settings. So at the first, when you are in the photo mode, you can add timer to your photo by tapping right here. You can choose 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's go for the 2 seconds for example. And right now when you take photo, click on the shutter. After 2 seconds the photo will be taken. When you click on the right upper corner, you can add here filters, so we can go for the grayscale. Let me just remove that timer. So that's the first one. There's the sepia, negative. There's red, yellow and highlight. Here we have also the green highlight. And the blue highlight. For example, the pen is the highlight. I mean, it's in the blue color. And take a look right now how the photo looks with these modes. So there's the cool feature. I hope that you are going to use it, because it's worth to know that. I'm going to remove effects. And that's all from the photo mode. In the video mode, there's honestly nothing interesting. We can change the normally brightness level. Just like that. Okay, so right now let's go for the settings, and in the settings we can quickly add the grid lines to help us to take better composition of the photos. As you can see right now, they appears on the screen, so if you want to put something in the middle on your photo, like this object, you can do it definitely much easier. From the interesting options, we can also add location text to the photo, so when you enable this feature and enable location on your photo, take a look, I'm going to take picture, and when I go for that picture and check details, I will get the exact location on the photo. As you can see, there it is. We can also go for the shotting methods, where we can change volume key feature. Currently it's set up to take picture or record video, but we can go for the zoom or system volume. I'm going to set to the zoom, and right now let me show you how it looks. So for example, I'm going to put here keys, and I'm going to zoom into them by using volume key. And then volume down to zoom out. And the shotting methods, we can also find floating shutter button, so when you enable this option, on your screen will be appear the additional shutter button. You can take photo with both shutters. You can move this shutter around screen, you can put it wherever you want. If you want to turn it off, just scroll like that. And if you want to put it back, just swipe with your finger and it will be also added to the screen. We can also activate quick launch. So take a look. When you double press power key, you can quickly open your camera. And the last option is called Save Selfie as Preview. So take a look, there it is. Right now when I'm going to take selfie, the photo will be the same like in the preview. But when I'm going to take photo without this option, phone is going to flip that photo. So take a look. And as you can see, there's the difference. So basically that's all from the settings, from the interesting things that you can find in the smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.